Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You should not attempt GPS spoofing. It risks bans and legal trouble. Instead, start by updating the Dream11 app and completing KYC so withdrawals work. Once done, enable accurate GPS and grant location and background permissions so the app functions reliably. Make sure your device has stable internet and remove any old location modifier apps. These steps establish a compliant, stable baseline, so you can focus on selecting teams. Now construct your lineups using data-driven choices. Check recent form, head-to-head stats, pitch behavior, and weather forecasts because they affect scoring. Once done, diversify by making 3 to 6 balanced teams, mix high-floor players with a few differential picks, assign captain and vice-captain to manage upside. Make sure you follow a bankroll plan, risking 1 to 5% of your roll per contest. This controls variance and keeps you in the game if a few bets fail. Finish by confirming your entries at least 10 to 20 minutes before lock so you avoid last-minute errors. Once the match runs, monitor live scoring to learn what worked and what did not. This feeds your next selections. If you see app or location errors, first check that location permission is set to allow while using the app, restart the app or device, and then contact Dream11 support if the problem persists. This keeps you compliant and minimizes downtime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.